and welcome to Retail Amit TV. So today I have with me Parvati. Parvati is the founder and owner of Zaichi. We'll talk about her brand. I just don't want to reveal much. So Parvati, welcome to Retail Amit TV.
Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure meeting you.
Same here. How has it been, like conquering the region with your brand? It's been a ride, I'm sure. So if you want to talk about that.
The experience was rewarding. At the same time, definitely it was demanding as well. So UAE as a market, it's kind of diverse, and at the same time I would say it's receptive as well. And this is definitely the segment that I am into is male-led. Largely male-led. So I started this brand in my late 20s, and I remember when I entered, the market was saturated. I was like, okay, now how am I going to swim this ocean? It was like that. But then definitely, like I said, the country is receptive. And one lesson that I've learned is that you don't have to outdo any big brands. You need to learn from them, right? And if you do something different, and at the same time, if you have that consistency, and if the market sees that you have intent, you show an intent, then I think nothing is impossible.
Spoke about the whole journey, but as an entrepreneur, taking back a step back from the brand, basically, what have you learned? Like, what are the key learnings that that you keep close to yourself when it comes to thinking business or catering to your customers?
My journey, I would say it has been humbling. As it has been humbling, it has also been empowering as well. So first thing that I've learned is definitely the importance of authenticity. I always believe that authenticity wins. You just need to be real. People need to understand you as a brand which is real, relevant, and at the same time reliable. So if you can cover all this, I believe people will build a trust in you eventually. So for me, the first learning was that be credible. Like, you don't have to try to be anyone. Just be you. Just your purpose needs to be very, very clear. You set the vision, and then at the same time you work for it, and you have a mission, right? Things will come and go, but you work hard to achieve that vision. You need to have a clarity. That's the first thing I've learned. And the second thing I feel is definitely the importance of agility. Trends evolve very quickly. Definitely, and you need to have the ability to pivot, which means that from the fabric sourcing to the digital marketing experience, you need to be like this.
No journey is actually always good. It can't be rosy. There are challenges that you have to overcome, and especially you also mentioned that the market was saturated. So what do you want to talk about when it comes to challenges and how you have overcome them, basically?
What I have learned in life is, like my jingle states, get up, stand up, and move on. Nobody wants to stand with you during your struggling phase, Anurima. Very rarely. I want to mention Image Retail Me because they were always there from the start, from the scratch. I know that when we were just building as a brand, I remember I still have the book, and I will cherish it even if Zaichi sustains or we become a billion-dollar company, because you rarely get to see such people who is standing with you, during your struggling phase. And I am a person who always wants to turn my challenges into strengths, because challenges teaches you lessons, and lessons, I believe, are the stepping stone to success.
What do you want Zaichi to be remembered as? Obviously, your vision or this statement can change over the months, and as you progress with the brand, maybe a decade later, it will be a different perception you will want in the customer minds. But right now, what do you want your customers to remember Zaichi as?
Zaichi, if I say, it's not about how you wear it. It is about the comfort. It is about the conscious. And it's also about the clarity they choose. So it's all about that, and we are reliable as a brand.
Amazing. Thank you and all the best with the growth.
Thank you
and
so
I'm
much,
sure
Anita.
we'll chat very soon to know more, and we'll just keep watching
Thank you.
the Zaichi space to know more.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.